Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Let's go. Check it out. In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to take your finger and upload videos to this cool website that's going to pay you $500 to $1,000 to upload one picture. Smash the like button right now, sub to the channel, because every single day I give you videos to make money online so you can lead a 9-to-5 and understand that you too can believe that you can live the dream. Listen, first step is this. Let me show you something that many people are not showing people, but I'm going to show you right here. This site has paid $1 billion, okay? $1 billion. And what's funny is I did this when I first started internet marketing because I couldn't figure it out. Smash the like button if you're still confused and still trying to make money online. You're buying products, you're watching YouTube videos, you're watching Wesley Virgin, but you're still not making money. Listen, it's possible, but until you learn the skill, there's many ways, even on my channel right now, that I give you for free to make money, and you're going to do this. But listen, most people never make money online because they're not patient. They don't listen all the way to the end. They pause, they fast forward videos. Listen, to build a skill online, you got to be a master. If you want to quit your job, drop out of school, and understand that you can build an online empire, you got to relax, take a deep breath, be patient, and follow and watch everything to the very end, okay? So this site has already paid $1 billion out. So I'm going to show you real quickly how to do it the manual way. Then I'm going to give you the automated way. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if it makes sense, big head. I'm going to give you the manual way, okay? And two, it's the automatic way. I'm into software automation. And so now on this channel here, I'm giving people access to softwares that's making people $30,000 to $50,000 per month. Even as an 18-year-old, you can be a single mom or dad, or you can be a disgruntled person that just hate the 9-to-5 grind. You just want to leave and be able to travel around the world here. So check it out. So basically, the site that you need to go to is basically what's called Shutterstock.com. Okay, so listen, Shutterstock.com is basically images and videos that people upload and they get paid for it, okay? But what I'm going to show you is which image to upload, what to focus on, so you can get paid quickly here. So now your question may be, well, Wesley, how many people are actually using the site here? So listen, if we go here to Similar Web here, 74 million people, imagine it, 74 million people per month are going to the site. You can take an image from your phone or an image that I'm going to give you and site to go to get the images for free, and every time you upload you get paid. Now listen, you can make a ton of money or you can make a little money. It's really up to you. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that makes sense, okay? So it's really up to you based off your work ethic. Now if you're lazy, it's probably not going to work. If you're a grinder like me, then guess what? You're getting ready to make some money using this. So Similar Web, 74 million people per month. So we know that people are actually using the site here, okay? Now, and all you do is just basically register for a free account, okay? You just get a free account on the website here. You can sign up and just get a free account. Now, listen, to upload, you have to go here, okay, which is called a contributor account. So all you do is on Shutterstock.com. Now follow. A lot of people get this wrong at this moment. Watch and pay close attention here. Watch this. If I scroll down to the bottom here, okay, you're gonna see where it says contributors. Sell your content. Click that. That's gonna take you to a page like this. You click get started. All you need to do is put in your full name, display name, email address, password. Done. You hook up your bank account, PayPal account is worldwide, and they're going to pay you. Now listen, the last step is, where do I get the pictures from, Wesley? How do I know which pictures to actually select? Listen, this is what you got to do. Show me some love below, because you're going to say, Wesley, I love you because you actually gave me the site to get free pictures. Look, Pexels.com. The great thing about Pexels, look, everything is free, baby. The copyrights is free. People upload images, and all you have to do is save these pictures and upload them to the Shutterstock. That's it. And they'll pay you. Now, I know you're thinking, well, why isn't everybody doing this? Well, everybody's not an astronaut either, and everybody's not a school teacher. Everybody's not a banker. What I'm saying is, it's thousands of ways, as you can see here on my channel, to make money. But people just don't know because internet marketers that make all the money, they don't share this with you, right? So look, and let me show you which pictures to focus on, especially in the holidays. You're gonna make a ton of money. During the holidays, I do about $20,000 per month using this method here. But let me show you something. If you go back to Shutterstock.com, and you may say, well, I want to know what is hot, what is trending. You scroll down, look, watch this. Trending images and searches. Veterans Day, children, Happy New Year. So all you do is go back to Pexels. I know you love it right now, right? People are doing this, ton of people. And listen, you can do this right now. Get started. And all you do is take a picture in the holiday or whatever's trending and upload it, and you're going to get paid. Now listen, as promised, if you want an automated way to do this, maybe you don't have time to go through this long, arduous process here, in the description below, I have a way. It's a software, right? And basically, everything what you see here, by a click of a button, it takes about 5 minutes. Listen, 5 minutes, look at me, to set up. And you would do exactly what I just showed you times 100. So instead of making $500 a day, imagine making $1,000 to $1,500 a day by just clicking a button. It's a software. It's automated. It does everything that I just showed you in the description below. Get it? Listen, I'm using it, and I truly believe that to be successful when I was broke is to model other successful people. So do what other successful people do. Well, what I did, I'm using the automated software that's in the description below. Why? Because I wanted to be successful faster, not slow. The world has changed. The game has changed. I love you. I appreciate you. Smash a like. Sub to the channel. Get the automated software below. You can get it. I don't care. You cannot get it. It's up to you. This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. Let go, folks.